Hey, what's up, YouTube? I just want to make a quick video. I got a package in the mail today, and I figured I wanted to do a quick unboxing to show it to you guys. It's the iPad 10-watt USB power adapter. Now I figure I'll make this video because there's probably people out there, like me, who got the new iPad, got home and found out, well, you can't charge a damn thing on a computer. Well, that sucks. And it's like, so I gotta use that little bitty ass box, the wall adapter, and then a little bitty ass 30-pin connector to charge it. I was like, well, damn, I need an extension cord. Well, for $30, you could buy this. Let me just go ahead and open this and show you what you get. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Alright. Alright. Okay, inside the box, you get this cable. It's a 3-prong plug-in with this weird looking box. You also get this. This is the part that you plug into the wall. See, this is the part you plug into the wall, and you plug your USB 30-pin connector, which it also comes with, in. Let me go ahead and open that up real quick. There we go. So you got your 30-pin connector cord. Plugs in right there. If I can just get it up in there. Hold on. Alright. And this part right here, that comes right off. Hold on. See? You take this power cord, and just slide that right in there, and voila, you got the part that plugs into the wall, 6 feet of cord, your box, and your 30-pin connector. Now this 30-pin connector, just by itself, just this wire, that's $20. For $30, you get that, the box, the cable, and an extra one of these. Because when you buy the iPad, the new iPad, it comes with this box, and this. So you're going to have all this for $30. That's not bad. So basically you buy an extra cord for $20, and for $10 more, you get this whole getup. So thanks for watching the video. And if anybody else bought the new iPad and is looking for, an easy supposedly faster way to charge it. From what I hear, since this is a 10-watt USB power adapter, it's supposedly supposed to charge your iPad a lot faster than just using, I guess, this by itself. I don't know. But I heard this charges the iPad way faster. So, thanks for watching my unboxing, and hope you enjoyed my video. I'm about to go charge my iPad. Later.